Oh, there you go, there's a fish. Bang. Yup, bang on, there's a fish. Oh, yep, there we go. Well, good evening and welcome back to an absolute picturesque evening. Tonight is actually better than what it was last night. Last night it was just incredible, but I had some problems with my GoPro and that's why I've not, you know, been able to show you the footage. I will show you some of the footage a little bit later on from last night because it is crazy, because the fishing was absolutely insane. Look at that, the sun's setting, absolutely stunning, and there's just bass packed up in this little bay. Oh, Jesus Christ! Flip! Bait absolutely everywhere, seagulls, birds, terns, you name it, all diving around. There was even dolphins nice and close. You can actually see a lot of bait fish in and around in front of me. Sand eels that are getting packed up with this clean weather into these bays, and it's absolute top water heaven. Hopefully we can get into some like we did yesterday, because yesterday was absolutely insane. This is the definition of a glass off. Look at that. That is absolutely picture perfect. Tranquility at its absolute finest. Wish us luck. Let's go fishing. Right, I'm going to start off with a frosty. Just this little lure here. Check the drag. Drag is ready to go. You guys watch out for any fish coming up behind the lure. And we're just fishing over a weedy patch here. Nothing special, just as the tide's flowing out. It's an absolutely stunning day. You'll see my pachinko or my frosty miles away. It'd be really nice just to get one fish to get on the board to start off with. And I'm not erratically bringing this in because it's so flat. I'm just skipping it along the surface. The lure is basically gliding. I've gone for a white t-shirt tonight as well, as you've probably noticed. Not the usual Anglers Only blue one. Just want to stay as cool as possible, to be honest, because the sun is baking. And if you can actually see in the water, it's very weedy, very sandy. This is the kind of area. There'll be fish around this area trapping bait as the tide flows out over these japweed beds. This is magic, absolutely magic. What more can you ask for? Going to be as quiet as possible this evening as well, because it's flat calm. You can hear a dog barking on the beach. Fish right there. Past this. Tarpon fishing. I've just seen a fish roll. Could be a mullet though. Pretty surreal this. Our fish just jumped right over there. Still chasing the first fish or the first take off the top, but hey, I'm good with this at the moment. It's just pretty incredible. We've seen a few fish mooching around in the weed. Oh, there you go, there's a fish. Bang. Yup, bang on, there's a fish. Oh, yep, there we go. First fish at the sesh. Boom, he sucked me up. I don't know how big this is. Feels alright, to be honest, unless he's hooked really weirdly. Oh, he's hooked weirdly, that's what it is. Oh, he's not a bad fish, actually. He's not a bad fish to start the session. Really nice fish. Beautiful, to be honest. Came up after me twice and then just slammed me, sucked me up. Look at the golden flanks in that. And we'll probably get a nice release, actually, with it being so clear. Plenty of beans. Boom, first fish on the board. Oh, yep, there you go. Fish again, bang. Oh, I love this fish, and he's only a small fish, but mate, there's just cast into these runs and just keep yourself straight on them. 2 fish, not bad. You in? Yeah, boy. Oh, mate.
That was really close to the kayak.
Oh, come on. These are some of the lures that I'll be using on this session if the frosty seems to fail.
This is one of my favourite lures out here. This is a Petite surface lure. It's in hot belly, as you can see that little reddy belly bit underneath, and it's in like a white flash plate. This is absolutely incredible on this day, especially if they're feeding on bait that's really small. Now, I acquired this lure today because it just looked perfect. This is a slap walker by Savage Gear. It's got a kind of a concave kind of mouth, so it'll slap a little bit of water when it's going through, but it's a bullet, and I reckon this will be absolutely killer on those days where it's a little bit windy. It might be a little bit big for out here, but also I just think when it's a little bit choppier out here, this could be the one that causes problems for the bass. They won't know if to hit it or not. And this is the king of all kings, the Frosty. Pachinko 125 is good, but a Frosty is much better. Proper slimline profile. I've also got an Asturi, which is a crowd favourite out here, especially on the darker grey days. This lure can be the one, and it's absolutely killed it for me, but I haven't been using it lately because the Frosty's been absolutely nailing them.
You can probably see out in front of me, the water is like a little bit turbulent, and then there's some really flat patches. The flat patches are usually where the tide's kind of stopped flowing behind a rock or something submerged under the water. The kill zone. We're coming over a lovely patch now. You can see it's all dark and that we're coming over a rock. Well, whilst I'm not catching anything, and what I'm doing is thinking about moving to the next reef, next area which we like to fish. It's a little bit high in the tide still, but I'm going to give it a go anyway. While I am making my way over there, I'll leave you with some of the amazing scenes from yesterday's fish, especially when we were out in these areas on the yaks. Dolphins pressing bait, pushing bait, going mental. I got some nice footage of some dolphins coming past, and also some crazy fishing, especially just before sundown. It was intense.
Now, firstly, I'd just like to apologise for the absolutely abysmal footage in the next few slides. I'd set my GoPro up just before we went out, and somehow I'd set it to zoom in on the back of my head, literally. So when I got back thinking, oh, I've got some crazy footage from tonight's session, crazy footage, it was literally just the back of my head. So apologies on my behalf.
Well, that is the first nice fish of the day. Beautiful fish. I thought it was a little bit bigger, but check out the gold flanks that have come off that fish. He just slammed me. He's probably about 50 centimeters, taken on a Frosty. Dolphins just came through. We thought, oh, that's going to be the end of it, but nah. It's coming to this little area and it's loaded with fish. Oh, right next to the yak that was as well. Oh yes, bang, I'm in as well. Oh mate, this one's actually biting quite hard. Oh, you got a nice one there as well. That last fish I had, oh my God, it didn't even land! Man, that thing just tried to take it. Oh man, there's so many fish right in front of us. Oh, and again, oh my God, look at it. This is where I need the drone. Mate, this is insane. There are massive fish here, or masses of fish. Watch this, this is just gonna be straight away capital carnage. A minute ago my lure didn't even land. One was flipping out of the water. There you go, bang! Oh, flip! Yeah! He's only small. Your lure's gonna get popped right next to me, I can feel it. Oh yes, oh yes. Oh, hello mate, where are you going? Come back here. That's a nice fish. Oh, you in as well?
No,
Oh! Straight next to the yak, I hope you've seen that. Oh, loads of good fish around. You're getting hammered there as well. Look at this, look at this. This is a carnage.
that's where you don't want to.
Yay! Oh, has he gone deep?
No, that's inside now.
That's a lovely fish again. He'll go straight away. Boom. Yup, and again. Bang! Oh! Oh, this is so fun. That's why you should always have a rod that's longer than your kayak. What's up? This is some of the best fishing I've had for a while. Both of us locked into fish constantly, eh? I'm gonna get. What am I doing? Sorry, hey mate, I've just gone over you. This is really poor angling. Poor angling by me. Well, so far it's not been as good as yesterday, but beggars cannot be choosers. It's an absolutely stunning evening. There's little to no wind at all. But the fish have been a little bit harder to find today. I don't know if it's because it's a smaller tide, they're not where they usually are. Yesterday there were billions of sand eel around and birds just popping off everywhere. There were dolphins in here, the lot. It was just irresistible for a bass fisherman. Right, we're gonna make our way that way and yeah, we'll go from there. This gully, mate, don't go in it, fish into it.
I was going to go just through the knees there.
Oh, okay, yeah, you'll be sound.
Any more fish?
I've had a couple, it's been a little bit more quiet.
I've had like loads of follows again. I just can't get them to fucking take the lure.
Oh, there you go. One just popped me right next to the boat. Yup, there you go. Bang! It's only small. Tiny fish, smallest one of the year. What?
Did you just catch another one?
Yeah. I had one take me right by the yak as well. Oh mate, look, there you go. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go, there we go. Did you see that?
I heard it.
Watch this, this is like tarpon fishing. Oh, there you go, on me. And again, oh, yup, there you go. Oh, he's off. And he's on again. Oh mate, look how many fish there are behind me. Well, that was pretty cool. Loads of fish there on the pack attack. Well, we just seen some fish just trapping bait on the top. I had a cast at them, I had a load of them chasing me. I think they were much smaller fish. Oh, the small fish. I think, yep, fish on. Oh, really nice big fish come up behind me there. Oh, that was crap. I had a really fair nice fish just come up behind me on the edge of this rock, and then a little whippersnapper just took me. Tranquil fishing at its best, eh? Being super quiet, just waiting for a fish to come up from behind and take the lure. It's just amazing. Oh, hello Mr. Seal. Hello. I thought I could hear you. You big dog. Fuck off away from me now. He must have been right next to me, literally. There's a big seal behind me. I heard him breathing. I love seals, but I hate them. So everyone that watches this, give the seal the bird. It's not happening in here, so we'll go over to these rocks, all right? This is how sessions can be sometimes. You can have a belter the day before. You come out thinking, oh my God, it's gonna be amazing, but it's just not as good. What's going on, man? Maybe it's just too nice. I've literally not had a fish for a while. Not joking, it's
Been a weird evening, weird evening. But I keep hearing fish just splashing around me. The one a second ago was a big splash. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. It's been absolutely incredible out here. Stunning. The fishing hasn't been too good tonight. Yes, there you go. Oh, bang. Oh, I've not had a fish for so long. I don't even know how big it is. Oh. And he's off, just like that. There you go, there's the fish I wanted that I've not had for so long. And again, oh yes, bang! Oh, this could be a good fish. Come on. Dom, 2 in a row. Where is it? It's only small. There you go. 2 in a row, baby. Oh, there you go. A little bit more surface action. Oh, there's fish behind me right now. Just before dark. Just when I was thinking the session's over. Oh, a fish just jumped in front of me. Oh yes, bang! Oh Jesus! This is magic. It's been crap for ages and then the fish had just come on the bite. Not big by all means, but fat. Saving the best till last. Hopefully there's a better fish in here because these are all schoolies, but I really don't care. Surface action at its best. Just before last light. Popped back to the Frosty and found the fish. I was literally just drifting around, just hitting and hoping, and we found some fish, which is lovely. Oh, oh! Hopefully he comes for round 2. Oh my God! What the hell? You see that? Right. This is incredible fishing, to be honest. Most people would have gone home by now, but this is the twilight zone and the fish are just here. Yo, there you go. Oh, Jesus. He sucked me up. Turning my boat. Mate, the fish are hungry. They're not even that big. Just a small fish. There. Wow, this is just insane. Just before dark and the fish had just come on the chew.